Hello there, welcome to Next Friction Zone. So guys, a few months ago I posted a video regarding the cone weave exercise that happens or takes place in an MSF course. That video was geared towards beginners, folks that are trying to get ready to take the MSF course, and this video applies just the same. Now, the thing about the previous video that I posted was that I didn't have cones at my availability. So it was a little bit hard to gauge the actual distance of the cone. So today I thought I would try something different. Here I have 4 cones and they are approximately 12 steps or 30 feet apart. That is more than generous as the first starting step. But not to worry, we are gonna try this multiple times, and each time I'm gonna shorten the distance by 2 steps in each cone. Just for you to be aware, on the MSF course, the rule is that the cones need to be approximately 12 feet apart. That's roughly around 5 steps or so. So we're gonna get there. There it is. We got the first battery of exercises done. Very, very easy. 30 feet apart. 12 steps, that's nothing. Now let's shorten the distance by 2 steps. So now we will be at approximately 10 steps apart, which is approximately 25 feet. Still very, very generous. If you have a rudimentary understanding of how to ride a bike, you should still be able to accomplish this. But if you don't, that's okay. Just keep practicing. There it is again, 10 steps. There's plenty of room. That's about 25 feet. If you still have trouble weaving through the cones from that distance, not to worry. It's just a matter of exercising. There's no shame in it. Okay, let's kick it up a notch. Now let's try 8 steps apart, which is approximately 20 feet. Once again, that's easy peasy. 8 steps at 20 feet. You still have more than enough room, even if you make an error, if you go too wide. Okay, now finally, let's make this a little bit more interesting. Let's make the cones approximately 6 feet apart, which is about 15 feet. Remember, on the MSF course, you are required to travel or weave through cones that are 12 feet apart. So it's still a little bit longer or easier than what the MSF course requires by 3 feet. But again, we're just gradually getting better. Let's see what happens. Okay, that was a little bit more difficult. It definitely required more balance and more commitment on the bike for you to lean your bike. So now it's definitely interesting, right? Once again, just to keep it honest, we are at 6 feet apart, or 6 steps apart, which approximates 15 feet. Okay, so now here's the kicker. Instead of doing it at 5 steps, let's do it shorter, at 4 steps. 4 steps will take you to approximately 10 feet. So now the distance is actually shorter than what's required on the MSF course. So if you can do this at 4 steps apart on each cone, if you can do this as difficult as it is, especially on a light bike, you will be able to do this on the, well, you should be able to do this on the MSF course. Let's give it a try. Best of luck. And there it is. Barely made it, but we made it. 4 steps, or 10 feet apart. So guys, if you can do this on your own time, 4 steps apart, you would be in good shape to pass this portion of the MSF course. Remember, all you need is, well, it's a big thing, but you need a motorcycle, you need 4 sets of cones, an empty parking lot where it will be safe for you to practice. And all you need after that is your will to do it. Well, this is it. This is all I have for you guys today. I hope this video helps you on your journey on becoming a motorcycle rider. Until next time, take care. Bye.